Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's look is quite a natural glam look compared to what I normally do. So I started off by using the Soul Shimmering Dry Oil in the shade Rose Gold, and I place this all over my face. All my other foundations have run out, so for this look I use the Primark foundation. I do use it a lot in tutorials because I'm only wearing it for a short amount of time, but at this point when I had no other foundations I did actually wear it out, and it is quite a good foundation, but my current one is by Fenty Beauty and it is the Hydrating Longwear foundation. I then contoured and bronzed my face using the classic Benefit Hoola Bronzer. For my blusher I applied the Colourpop No Vacancy blusher. I used a beauty blender to apply this and I thought it just went on really nicely. For highlight I used the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter in the shade Cloud 9. At the moment I have been obsessed with pink highlighters on blush. I've been wearing them I think for about 2 months now. It's the only type of highlighter I will wear. To prime my lids I used a concealer, and this is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I then went into the Colourpop Flutter By Palette and used the shade called Lush, and I started to place this in the crease of my eye. I also blended it out into a little bit of a wing as well. I then went over all of that with the shade called Wild Wing. To smoke it out that little bit more and make it a little bit darker I used the shade called Angel BB in that same palette. I then got the Colourpop Jelly Matte Shadow in the shade Buttercup, and I started to place this all over my lid. And then I started to carry it on up into the wing. While that was a little bit tacky, I went over that with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Flying Circus. For my brows I used the Snazzaroo Classic Face Paint in the shade Purple. I applied the highlighter that we used earlier to the inner corner of my eye, and then using some eyelash glue I glued some gems to the wings of my eyes. I loved how this looked so much I started to apply some more underneath my brows and then going up to the temples of my head. Then I added some more down to my cheekbones and then into the inner corners of my eye. For my lips I used the Colourpop Velvet Blur lipstick in the shade Virgo Moon. I coated my lashes with some mascara and then used the Colourpop lashes in the style Shorty. Lastly, I put on this purple wig and this butterfly headpiece that I created just out of some wire and a headband and these butterfly stickers that I got online. And we are done. This is my glam, kind of soft glam butterfly look. Soft glam for me, I know it is a bit much, but compared to the stuff that's on my channel right now, this is quite soft glam. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like it, press that like button, and if you'd like to see more from me, subscribe to my channel, or you can follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. Over there my name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It's linked in the description down below, along with a load of coupon codes for you if you are interested. Have some for Morphe, Colourpop Eldora lashes, just to name a few, so if you want to have a look you can do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.